NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazards. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather, the test is postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, may occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order.
I had to put it in
the warning alarm will be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting locations in portions of West Kentucky, Southeast Missouri, Southern Illinois, Southwest Indiana, and Northwest Tennessee. This concludes this test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. We now return to our regular programming.
That was some bad reverb on the EOMs, but still, I'm just sitting here, St. Vincent de Paul and Whitesville. Going to be buying this now Sonic radio. They did the test. All right, well, okay, you can stop blinking now. There we go. Oh. Yeah, I found that.
Oh, okay.
Well, they did the test. All right, anyway. First of all, we don't need to go 400.
Yeah.